It's a beautiful day in Avondale, Pennsylvania, getting ready to put a new roof on this 𝗗𝘂𝘀 home. Join us for the journey on this edition of Forever Home. Here we go. Hi friends, Drew here with Cope Construction and Renovation, and as you can see, this original roof is due for some replacement. You can see the discoloration here. You can see where the shingle stones have rubbed off. Of course, we've got a downspout draining directly onto the roof, some discoloration up there at the top, and just all sorts of signs that this is just about ready to start having some challenges. So the customers asked us to replace that, and we came out today. Our crew is showing up tomorrow. We have the delivery of the materials showing up tomorrow, and so today we wanted to get our netting up to help protect the bushes, the shrubs that are all here. It's very breathable, so it's not going to hurt the plants. It gives us a safety catch system to help, control some of the debris that may come off the roof. We're going to load everything into the buggy, but every once in a while, of course, something's going to miss, and we want to make sure that cleanup is impeccable when we're done. Not to say you'll never find a single nail, but you're not going to find 50. So we do our best to really make sure that we've protected the investment that you've made in the landscaping in your home, and this system is part of how we do that. So this is the front of the house. Of course, we've got our ground net set up, and then these to catch anything that might come down and direct them into there, and we have done that same process around the rest of the house. Let's take you around the other side. The customer has a gorgeous fish pond back here. Of course, we want to protect that from anything that might come off of this roof on the way down, so we've set one of our nets across here with some of these support poles. We've got a couple drop cloths here around the back of the house, and I've pulled them down off the stairs because we don't want to create a tripping hazard until the crew gets here tomorrow, but tomorrow morning we can pull those up on the stairs and help control anything that comes down that direction. We have this beautiful retaining wall here, so we put some nets on the top of these plants to help shed anything that may fall from there one way or the other, and then that's going to direct things down here to the lower area. And like I said, while we try to put everything directly into the buggy, having these nets here does help us ensure that we're keeping everything protected, and that when we go to do the cleanup on your house, that we're able to make sure that we've got just about everything that may have ever possibly come off the roof. There's going to be some little debris we're not going to get, but especially the nails, we'll run that magnetic sweep around the house, and oftentimes I'm the one on site doing that myself to make sure that the final nail cleanup is complete. So you can see the netting that we've got to kind of protect these bushes, to keep anything from landing in them, and anything that hits that netting is going to wind up either behind them, or we can get it with a magnet, or out in front on these tarps here. And again, we're going to try to push everything right into the buggy. Of course, one of the biggest complaints we hear when hiring a roofing company is they left a mess when they were done. And there's not a lot of homeowners that have the wherewithal to climb up and check the roof and look at the how many nails they put in it, and to make sure they weren't missing anything, and to look for nail pops or low nails, or to see what they did with the pipe collars, or any of those details that we've shown you in some of our other videos that we're going to do up on your roof. But they notice what happens on the ground, and when the contractor doesn't clean up, that's something that every homeowner can see. So if you're looking to put a roof on your home and you don't want to have to clean up the mess when it's all said and done, give our team a call. We have a dedicated office staff standing by to answer your calls weekdays 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation, and option 2 for new projects. Fastest way to reach our team is to take a picture of the outside of your house, all four sides, send them to us right here on the Facebook Messenger. Click that contact us button there at the top and send us those photos along with your contact details. And if we've got a clear satellite view of your roof, we can usually give you a quick ballpark just based on that. And then if you're serious about moving forward, we'll get someone out and measure the roof and do that up for real. So what problem can we solve for you? Let us know. We look forward to serving you soon. Remember, we're finished with it. You're proud to say it's not just done. It was CopeBUILT. We'll catch you guys on the next edition of Forever Home. Bye for now.